Hey. Okay, so welcome to Monday, guys. We're coming in the home stretch. I feel like a fucking baseball reporter. Just kidding. So we have we have 3 weeks left. So you guys are doing great. Okay, just whenever you're feeling stressed, just remind yourselves you're doing the best you can, because that's what I have to keep telling myself. Okay, so tonight your short essay is due, comparing Where Are You Going, Where Have You Been, written by Joyce Carol Oates, to A Good Man Is Hard to Find, written by Flannery O'Connor. Two great stories. I'm going to call them short stories, even though I'm sure you feel that they're quite lengthy. However, what I really wanted to hop on about is that Wednesday, your first rough draft is due. Okay, now, my coffee pot is about to die. It's been really overworked lately. My normal 3 cups of coffee a day has multiplied to about 6 or 7. So we're on a great time here. Okay, so, sorry, I can't get myself comfortable in my chair. My cats are going crazy. Everything's happening. Okay, so your first rough draft. Now, I'm sure that some of you are like, oh my gosh, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Rest assured, no one does. Okay, so here's what we're going to go over, all right? Okay, cool. Excellent. So your first rough draft is to be 4 full pages. Okay. Now, in any time, it doesn't matter if it's a draft or if it's your final, okay, like your final draft, your works cited page does not count as your page count. Okay. So when I tell you it's 7 to 10 pages for your research paper, it's 7 pages of context, and then page 8 would be your works cited page. Okay. Not 6 pages of context and your 7th is your works cited page. That's not how this is working. All right, now remember, you've already given me an outline, your topic, your thesis, and your outline. So you've done most of the work. Use your outline to help build on it. I'm sure that, what you actually write is going to vary from your outline, and that's okay. Your outline is just there as a guide. Okay, those were things that at that time you said, oh, this is what I want to write about. Use that. Don't neglect it. Build upon that, okay? If you don't want to start in your introduction, but you have a really good body paragraph, start there. It doesn't matter. Okay, so your first rough draft is 4 full pages. You are to remember to include your heading, which goes on the left-hand, upper left, I should write that. That's not all weird. Upper left-hand corner. Okay, and that includes your name, my name, the date, and the assignment. I know that this sounds like really stupid that I should have to say this, but I can't tell you how many people aren't including their headings on drafts. For Lincoln, they're done this week. So I've already read most of their drafts, and the amount of times I have to tell them to remember a heading is astonishing. Okay, so your heading, along with your header. I'm not talking to you, Siri. Okay, so your header. Oh, my kid's gonna knock on the door soon. Sorry, dude. Your header, which goes in the upper right-hand corner. Okay, and that is last name and page number. Now, I'll show you how to do these momentarily. Just bear with me, okay? You need a title. If you don't have a title, just write rough draft 1, okay? You will need a title for your final draft, but for now, just put something in its place. I usually find that it's easier to come up with the title after I've written my paper. But, everybody does their own thing. Maybe you already have a really great idea for your title. I have no idea. Okay. The biggest thing, okay, you would think the biggest thing is making sure your name's on it, but rest assured I can figure out who's, submitting what. The biggest thing is in a research paper, we write in 3rd person. Now, this does not mean, okay, instead of saying I, you're saying your own name. Okay, we're not speaking in 3rd person in this instance. It means that you're substituting you or we, which is 2nd person, or I or me, 1st person, for they, them, people, persons, or, using a person's name, just not your own. Okay, please keep in mind, for research papers, you must write in 3rd person. Why? Because if it's not third person and it's in first, then it's an opinion paper, not a research paper. Okay? I'm nervous that my kids just gonna come busting through the door like, Mom! All right, so with that in mind, I just want to hop onto two other things real fast, okay? I'm gonna give you some time to maybe take a screenshot if you need to of this. Okay, those are the things that you have to keep in mind with your first rough draft, okay? So now what I want to do, you're gonna give me a minute. Okay, and then I'm gonna pull up Microsoft. So for those of you that use Google Docs, okay, I am not sure if Google Docs allows you to upload a paper to Blackboard. I have no idea. I know one of the other interfaces I use, Google Docs, is not allowed as something to be uploaded, which is odd, but it is what it is. So just something to keep in mind, okay? Now, what I'm going to show you first is Google Docs, how to do a header, because apparently we need to know how to do these things because some people just don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna do my heading. There we go. Come on. Stratton. I'm making, oh, here it comes. Hey, dude. Yeah, can I finish my video real fast? Yeah, okay. The date, what's today? I don't even know. Today is April 11th, 20, and rough draft 1. Okay, now that's my heading. Your heading, oh shit, I spelled my own last name wrong. Dude, what's up? Can you have what up? Oh, it's all, okay. There you go, it's all the way up. All right, now with your header, you do want to make sure it's double spaced. Oh shit, I don't even know if you guys can see this crap. Sorry, I apologize. Whoopsies. Okay, so there it is. All right, you want to make sure that this is double spaced. Okay, so everything is double spaced on your paper, your heading, your works cited, it's all double spaced. Okay. You also want to make sure that you're writing in Times New Roman. Okay, so here's my pretend title, rough draft 1. All right, now headers. So typically you can just double click. Okay, and look, there's my header. Now, options. You're gonna go to page numbers. Okay, start at 1, position, but I really want it to be on the right. So you don't do it that way. You're gonna go to insert. You're gonna go to page numbers. You're gonna click this first one that shows the numbers in the upper right-hand corner. Okay, now that's not really where I want it. So we're gonna tab it all the way over. Tab. Okay, and then you're gonna put, shit, why is this not working the way I want it to? All right, fuck this, hold on. I'm editing, undoing. All right, we're gonna try this again. Page numbers. There we go. Okay, put the cursor, you know, the blinking bar in front of your page number. Write your last name. Make sure that you do not click this, otherwise your last name will not show up on every page. Okay, so there's how to do it on Google Docs. Insert, page numbers, bam, done. Okay, now let's go to a Word document. This is fun. This one, same thing. You're gonna go to, is it insert? Yeah, it is. You're gonna go to page number. Come on. I want it top of page, same position, okay, and then you're gonna put your last name. All right, double click out of it. And then the same thing, your heading. Apparently I can't spell. Okay, that's not a name. Okay, rough draft. Fuck, I really can't spell today, sorry guys. Okay, and then of course your title. Okay, so that's how you do it on Microsoft. Okay, so there's no, I don't know, if, ands, or I don't know hows. All right, so keep in mind, again, I'm going to show you that one more time. Did that, what, no, never mind, I'm not. Close. Okay, so just keep in mind that your rough draft is due by midnight on Wednesday night, okay? 4 full pages, Times New Roman, 12-point font. What you already should have been doing for your essays and for your reader responses, all right? Just keep those things in mind. And if you have any questions, just let me know. If it doesn't let you upload to Blackboard, just send it in an email, okay? No, nothing to go crazy over. Now, after Wednesday, okay, not on Thursday, but starting Friday, I'm going to put up a sign-up sheet for one-on-one conferences. This is something that I would be doing regardless of our current situation. You're going to pick a day and a time to sign up for. I'm going to send you a link to do a one-on-one through Zoom. And we're going to talk about your paper. So it's about a 15-minute conference. We'll talk about your paper. If you have any questions, you know, regarding your grades, regarding class, I don't know, the meaning of life. I have no idea. Okay, so about a 15-minute conference. Please, if you like get out of work at 2, don't sign up for a 2 o'clock conference because you're just going to irritate me. Whoops. It's just true. Sorry. So just, you know, keep that in mind when you look at the sign up sheet. Again, that's going to go up. It will go up on Thursday, but I'm not doing conferences on Thursday because I need time to actually read your papers. So just keep that in mind. Okay. And I think that's about it. I hope everybody has, you know, a good Monday for the most part. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.